So hello guys, good evening. Today I will show you how to get the new combo cards. So let's go to the mine, tap mine, and then here are the 3 combo cards for today. So first KYC, go to the legal. That's right, up. So just click go ahead. And then the second one, P2P. So go to the market section and then scroll down, you can see the P2P trading. And then for the last one, hamster tube. So go to the PRT, PRN team. That's the hamster tube. So just click go ahead, and then that's all. Thank you for watching.